Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Happy New Year. Welcome back to another video. I'm glad y'all made it this far. Happy New Year once again. God bless you all. And yeah, man, I'm back with another video, the first video of the year. I just made a beat, and I don't know what you guys think about this one. It's a special gift for New Year celebration. Thank you guys for being with me on this journey. And yeah, man, without wasting any further time, let's get straight to the video. This is my short clip. I was at the mall trying to check some new stuff, trying to get some new gears for my music. You dig? Yeah, man. Let's cook up. Let's cook up some hot stuff. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, fellas, before I forget, make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna drop the first project of like amapiano type beats, and then After that, before that, I'm gonna drop summer beats 2 this month. And if you haven't checked summer beats 1, go check on the link. The link is on the description down below. I've dropped summer beats 1. It's the best. I've dropped some of my best beats I've ever made in flstudiomobile, and I'm gonna drop 2 projects this month. I'm gonna start with summer beats 2, and then after I'm gonna come and drop an amapiano tape, beat tape. I'll just call it this is my house. And then I'll just drop, so you guys will support by streaming in every platform: YouTube, Spotify, Deezer, SoundCloud, Pandora, and others, and Apple Music too, like Apple Music. Yeah, more music coming. This is the year where I take my music to the next level, everything from mixing, mastering, and making beat sound selection, everything will be down in order. So I just want y'all to be with me on this journey and stay blessed, y'all. Peace.